If you want to know more about how to get Goyard shipped to you, quotas and pricing for unboxings, shoppings, thingies, giftings. So we're gonna do a bunch of unboxings. What? Probably doing this 3 separate videos. Sorry. StockX, Real, Goyard. Goyard, StockX, Real. Okay, so we're gonna do the Goyard one first. Goyard gift giving. It's a gift. Because you know I love to give gifts. I'm such a gift giver. I'm the best gift giver. You would love to get a gift from me. Also, the giveaway is coming, so you know what I mean. Anyway, we'll do Goyard first, then that, okay? So, Saturday. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we're doing an unboxing from Goyard. A Goyard unboxing that I'm gifting. It's a gift, I got it. I'm gonna unbox it and then pack it back up and put it in a little gift bag because we're going today to give it. So, unbox, and that's kind of it. It's just gonna be super quick. But if you want to know more about how to get Goyard shipped to you, if you want to know more about Goyard's like quotas and anything like that, or if you want to know more about pricing for Goyard, any of that stuff, it's all now going to be in my membership tier. So if you have not yet, please subscribe to my membership because that's where you're going to get all that info now. Sorry. Okay, so if you're interested, please stick around. Please press the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep it watching. So we're just going to unbox this real quick, but obviously we're going to do a tick tick tack 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 toke first, and then I will. That's it. Okay, so here it is. So like I said, if you want to know how to like get Goyard bags delivered directly to you, don't have to go in the store, don't have to wait in line, all those kind of things. If you want to know prices, if you want to like get all this like insider info about launches and also be part of the giveaway, the Goyard bag I'm giving away, which is my other video on which you guys know about, and also Hermes tips and tricks, all that kind of stuff is all gonna be part of my membership tier now, which I thought I set up, but Brian, I think you told me, I thought I set up, but I guess I haven't, so I didn't set it up, so I'm gonna set it up now and have it available, and then I'll start posting membership content next month, okay? So, sign up this month! Okay, so this is what we got. It's not what we're giving away, but it is similar to what we're giving away. Our Swap EM, classic tote, perfect for if you had to have carry other stuff for the day, but it's small and cute, and not the same as the St. Louis, because it's open, and also the zip. You guys know it, a little more safe, a little more smaller, a little more smaller and cute, but with the longer handles to protect, it's a great bag. This is a great bag. Love. That's all I got. You guys know. Okay. That's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies next. I know your time's valuable and I time's precious. Appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby.